Given a particle has initial velocity v bar is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap and acceleration a bar is equal to 4 I cap plus 2 j cap. Then find velocity at time t is equal to 2 seconds, displacement from 0 to 2 seconds we need to find according to given data. Vector representation given. So along the x-axis I cap, along the y-axis j cap, and also acceleration also given. You need to solve this in two ways. First, I will observe along x-axis. Along x-axis, compare given equations. V is equal to ux I cap plus uy j cap, and also acceleration a is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. Means velocity, initial velocity along x-axis 2, initial velocity along y-axis 3 given, acceleration along x-axis 4, acceleration along y-axis 2 given. Okay, we need to find velocity, means final velocity formula you need to assign. So final velocity v is equal to u plus at, but along x-axis suffix x suffix x, so velocity final along x-axis is equal to ux, that is 2 from the data, plus ax from the data 4, acceleration along x-axis 4, into time t 2 seconds given, time t is equal to at 2 seconds we need to find. So 4 into 2, 2 plus 4 2s are 8, that is equal to 10 meter per second is the answer, final velocity along x-axis. And also find displacement along x-axis, since displacement along x-axis average velocity into time is the formula. Average velocity can be written as initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2 into time t. This is the formula, average velocity formula. So displacement along x-axis s is equal to ux from the data 2 plus vx final velocity 10 divided by 2 into time t from 0 to 2 seconds. Obviously at 0 seconds t is equal to 0, so displacement 0, but at 2 seconds time t is equal to 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, finally we will get 12 meters is the answer. Now if you observe along y-axis from the data, along y-axis, first final velocity along y-axis vy is equal to uy plus ayt. From the data, what is uy? Initial velocity along vertical, that is 3, plus acceleration along y-axis, that is 2, into at a time t is equal to 2 seconds into 2, so 3 plus 2 2s are 4, that is equal to 7 meter per second is the answer. Along y-axis the final speed or velocity is 7 meter per second. And coming to displacement along y-axis, s is equal to initial velocity along y-axis plus final velocity along y-axis divided by 2, that is displacement is equal to average velocity into time t. This formula I use again into t. Displacement at 0 seconds, time 0 seconds, everything 0, so find directly at 2 seconds displacement. So initial velocity along vertical 3 plus final velocity 7 divided by 2 into time t is 2, again 2 and 2 get cancelled, 10 meters is the answer. Thank you.